So welcome to the first practice action for the 8 steps to jazz piano improvisation. All right, so in practice actions, I show you exactly what it is that I want you to practice, and you can practice along with me. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and take a look at the link in the description for the complete playlist so you can get all of the practice actions and the main video. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here in this first practice action is we're going to work on playing the melody of the song. We're going to start with just the melody, and then we're going to add the shells in the left hand. Remember, we're doing the first 8 measures of Autumn Leaves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my metronome, 100 beats per minute. Let's get ready to play this. 1, 2, ready, go, rest. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. And we're back to the beginning, okay? So you can practice that melody. You can go ahead back and practice that melody along with me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow this down. I'm going to bring this down to 80, and now I'm going to use my chord shells in the left hand. Let's review the chord shells real quickly so we know what they are. There's my A minor 7. Then I'm going to a root 3 7, or a root 3 chord shell for D7, then a root 7 for G major, root 3 for C. Now if you're confused on these, don't worry, take a look at my Academy blueprints on chord shells and you'll understand how to play these. F sharp minor 7 flat 5, or root 7, B7 root 3, and then root 7 on E minor. Right? So let's just start by going through those again. A minor, play it with me. Now go to D7, root 3. Now go to G major, root 7, C major, root 3, F sharp minor 7 flat 5, root 7, B7, root 3, E minor, root 7, and again. Now let's go ahead and play along with the melody. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more time. 3, 4. All right, excellent job. So work that nice and slow, nice and steady. When you feel comfortable playing that first 8 measures of the melody, then move on to practice action number 2. I'll see you in the next practice action.